Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install WhatsApp on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it you need to go to your Windows search option and here you need to search for Microsoft Store. Here you can see Microsoft Store. So you need to click here. So it will open Microsoft Store. So here you can see search option. In the search option we are going to search for WhatsApp. So here you can see it is showing WhatsApp. So we are going to click here and it will show you WhatsApp. And here you can see we have the install option here. So we need to click on install and it will start installing WhatsApp. And there you can see it started installing and it is around 140 MB. And here you can see installation is complete. So right now we are going to click on open and it will open WhatsApp over here. You can see. So first of all, we need to log into the WhatsApp. So I'm going to click here login. So here once you open WhatsApp, it will show you this QR code. So you need to scan this QR code by your phone. Here you can see there is some instruction. So you need to just basically scan this QR code by your phone camera. Then it will take you to the WhatsApp and scan the QR code again to link your account. So I'll just use my phone to scan the QR code and there you can see right now we are logged into the WhatsApp. There you go. So yeah, this is how you can install WhatsApp on Windows, whether you are in laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.